I bought this phone now is 2 years and 2 months. Now I can't use it. I've been looking into the website to look for the way to downgrade the iPhone, but the thing is I just can't even touch the phone to do nothing about it. It's really disappointing. Yeah, basically you spend like £600 for nothing. So just I've been having this problem since yesterday that I upgrade the iOS to the iOS 12. So first thing I can address is that the reminder, this app is crashed constantly, and I think I type something else, but something else is on the screen. Like I type something like buy a backpack for hiking, but then it's just duplicate the line before that, something like that. I just can't show you now. Now I just have to restart it. So let's see what happened. Ta-da! Alright, I'm gonna show you the reminder. It's... oh my god. Maybe leave Apple for... oh, I can't even type this. Look at this, the flicker, the flickering. Oh, leave Apple for good. I show you that I will try to show you that I used iOS 12. The thing is, I don't want to install it, but I've been trying to offload it to uninstall the installation file so many times, because it's pop up in here. It's gonna be in your iPhone storage. So what I did, it was so damn slow back then, and now it's not just slow, it's just like frozen. Usually it takes like forever for this page to show up. Now it's look real fast. It's look quite fast, but you see the flicker, the flick. You see? Oh my god. Oh dear. Oh, get out. No. Don't do this to me. Oh my god. It seems like the notification panel is trying to come out by itself. Okay, let me show you the software. iOS 12. The thing I want to tell you guys is that when the iOS 12 comes up, it's available, so it's automatically downloaded for me, even I don't want to, and I offload it because I need some space on my phone. When I offload it, it's like a 1.67 gigabyte, and after that a few days, if you connect it to the Wi-Fi, then it's come back again. I don't know how to block it, so I delete it again for 3 or 4 times. Then okay, I watched a YouTube video and they said, wow, the iOS 12 is like one of the best things for the iPhone 6. So what I do, I trusted, and installed it right away yesterday. And this is the result. Suck. So at the end of the day, just make up my mind and install the 11.4 of the iOS. Now it's working on restoring the software, and meanwhile the iPhone become really weird. As you could see a bit before, some flicker on the screen and weird. Alright, and I just restore my iPhone now, and bad news, everything's gone, and no improvement. There's still the same problem. Oops. Here's the thing: is it's just frozen. It's not responsive. Oh, my dear. Yeah, so that's it. That's the end of my iPhone, and all of my data just gone.
เหมือนเขาซ่อมไม่ได้เขาให้เครื่องใหม่มาเลย
Yeah, something wrong. Oh my god. Oh, emergency.